know you probably don't care, but my life right now is no fair. Walking around in this cold air, at the airport sitting at O'Hare. I'm thinking of taking the next plane out this damn place I was placed in. Man, I wasted so many damn days, and I need to get away, I need a vacation. All the fake faces, handshakes, and all the bull crap that I can't take. I wanna vacate somewhere far, but I can't, because I gotta stay for the people that need me to escape. Because I know I got fans that need me every day. To the date, they pass my tapes to the children at a faster rate than it took them to get hooked on in the first place. When I rapped away on YouTube, when I had a little buzz going, little fan base, little canvas, I call my notepad, little room, big thoughts, working on my vocab, trying to master my flow to a toe tag, to the point where I murder anything that I spoke at. I wanna thank everyone that took a poke at this career that I chose to go at. They thought I would quit and choke back. I woke up in the sweats.